If you change your mind and decided to unblock somebody on Facebook, you're ready to start chatting with them again. It's super easy to do so whether you're on an iPhone, an Android, or even a computer. Let me show you exactly how it works. Of course, just open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. We need to get to your settings to do this. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or it might be at the top left or top right. After you've done that, scroll down until you get to Settings and Privacy. Open that up and tap on Settings. Now, there are two different ways to navigate. You can manually navigate to it, but I find it easier just to tap on Search Suggestions here and just type in Block. After you've done that, tap on Blocking at the top, and you'll see a list of everybody you have blocked. To unblock them, of course, just tap on Unblock. However, keep in mind when you do unblock them, you'll have to wait 48 hours to block them again, and it doesn't automatically add them as a friend. So you'll need to go in and manually add them as a friend again if you want to start chatting with them again. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me. And I hope to catch you on the next one.